There. Nicer? Hey.
Their music was fast, hard, and stripped down. Welcome to WatchMojo.com, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10
See his lips?
influential punk bands.
Yeah.
Number 10, Misfits. The Misfits weren't the first band to produce fast and aggressive tracks with appealing vocal melodies, but they did originate a unique brand of punk that featured dark and shocking imagery inspired by horror and sci-fi flicks. As their music has gotten faster and closer to hardcore punk, the band has reached cult hero status. Dozens have covered their songs, and they've kept their popularity alive today with later lineups.